Давай, бисмилля.
Look closely at this footage. Have you noticed at least one Soviet vehicle there? This is why Ukrainian military will soon have an edge over Russia. And this is hilarious. Deputies of Russian Tyumen City Duma raised money and gave a Zhiguli car to the front lines. Looking forward to a video, Adventures of Red Zhiguli in Ukraine.
За то, что предоставили нам автотранспорт для эвакуации раненых. Мы очень долго ждали, когда он к нам приедет. И наконец-то дождались. Теперь мы сможем спасти больше наших товарищей. Спасибо.
Ukrainian citizens are the real heroes in this war. Here Ukrainian woman is confronted by Russian military for recording their convoy going through Kamyanka-Dniprovska in Zaporizhia Oblast. She is not scared, I can tell you that.
Хай стріляють.
Не раздражай. Они идиоты.
У нас в Україні зйомка не запрещена.
Наташа, не раздражай. Не раздражай.
Стріляти будете по жінці, стріляйте. У нас в Україні зйомка не запрещена. Стріляти будете по жінці, стріляйте. Стріляйте, я мати героїня, 5 дітей. А у нас в Україні зйомка не запрещена. Окупаційних військ. Ви окупанти.
Ми прийшли куди? На Україну нашу?
Ви
Чого?
окупанти. Окупаційних військ у нас зйомка не запрещається.
Пошли, Наташа. Пошли, все. Иди. Наташа, пошли.
Хай стріляють, хай всі бачать. Іде прямий ефір на всю країну.
Не заводи, понятно. Сейчас стрелять. Ты что забыл?
Korea is one of the republics that are a part of Russian Federation. This video is interesting because here we can see the Ukrainian Oban, separate special purpose battalion, of the Ukrainian Foreign Legion during recent urban fighting in Bakhmut. Some of you may notice someone with an interesting pedigree and an AT-4.
Там приход. А что так есть? Раненый? Нормально? Сюда надо, зайти надо. Доползи до конца. Сулейман, нормально, вы? Мечак, а что такая халдела? Чуть-чуть доползите туда. Чуть-чуть доползите еще.
Куда?
Так.
Сложи. Давай, смотри. Да, маленький.
Маленький, проблемы, отцом. Быстрее.
Туда.
Бог попал? Ёхом цепет. Дай!
And Russian propaganda declared Maser Gifford as dead. He's laughing at his own account for this.
Hi guys, I thought I'd do a quick update from Ukraine. So I'm on an operation at the moment, and I don't know if I'll share the last video that I made, but it's tough going. As you can imagine, this is an artillery war, so we get shelled all the time. Very difficult, very challenging. Conditions aren't very good either, obviously. Very little food, very little water. Not horrendous, like we're absolutely fine, we're managing. But obviously, as you can imagine, difficult conditions, and it's very cold, incredibly cold. So yeah, you sleep under in the elements. Don't know if no, you can't see my breath. Never mind. But it's cold. You have to trust me on that one. So yeah, I just wanted to let everyone know that I'm fine. Like I'm bored at the moment, and I'm very happy to be bored. I love being bored because it means no one's shooting at us, no one's shelling us, and all is well. I had to. The reason I'm well, yeah, I better not say anything more about the operation. But yeah, why do we put ourselves through this as international volunteers? I think it's the ultimate act of solidarity as a British man, as an American man, as an American woman, as a British woman as well, to come out here and to fight alongside the Ukrainians. It's literally the ultimate act of solidarity, isn't it? To say to them, look, I believe in you. You're my brothers, you're my sisters, and I'm willing to go through everything that you go through, and do it alongside you. Stand in solidarity. And that's everything that I've tried to do over the last 10 years, all through Syria, as we fought against the Islamic State all those years ago. I wanted to remind everyone that internationalism still lives, that international solidarity means something. It's something that's very important.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.